Hello kids, now I'm back again. So today I will teach you everything about letter B. Which letter? Come on, speak. Yes, letter B. Okay, so are you ready? Yes, okay. So first we will sing a song. Okay? Do you like to sing a song? Yes, then let's sing with me. Okay. Do you like to play with bat and ball? Yes, all the kids like bat and ball. So I have bat and ball also. Okay, baba bat and baba ball. Okay, so we'll play with bat and ball. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Come on, sing with me and play with bat and ball. Just pretend like you have hold the bat. Okay. So let's play with bat and ball. Let's play with bat and ball. Ba ba ba. Let's play with bat and ball. Ba ba ba. Let's play with bat and ball. Ba 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 ba. And your bat hit the ball. Aim your bat and hit the ball. Let's play with bat and ball. Ba 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 ba. Come on, do it with me. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Okay. Have you enjoyed it? Yes. Okay. Now I will tell you the objects. Okay. Which are the objects? Start with the letter B. Which letter? Letter B. Yes. So let's start. Okay. See, I will show you. Okay. This is bell. Okay, what is this? Bell. Have you ever gone to the temple? Yes, see, every day you go to the temple. So, at the temple there is a bell. Okay, you hit the bell, right? And it makes some sound. Dun! Yes. So, this is called bell. It starts with letter B. B. Bell. Then, are you reading the books? Do you have books? Yes. So this is the book. It also starts with letter B. Book. Okay. Every day we eat banana. Do you like banana? Yes, I like the most. Okay. And very much banana is very sweet. It's very tasty. Yummy. Yes. So it's a banana. And this is the boy. It also starts with boy. Boy. The sound of letter B is ba. So the letter B, sound of the letter B is yes, ba. So boy, ba. Okay. Do you have brother? Yes, then he is a boy. So it starts with ba, boy. And have you ever seen bear? Have you ever visited the zoo or jungle? Yes, this is the wild animal. It is called bear, bear. Okay. Now there are some other objects also. Okay, you know already ball and bat. Okay, this is a book. You already know these three objects. Okay, now this is the bus. Have you ever traveled through bus? Yes, when you go to grandma's house and anywhere mama's house, uncle's house, we always travel with bus. So bus. And this is the bag. Have you ever used school bag? No, don't use school bag. Okay, your young elder brother and sister uses this bag, school bag. This is actually a school bag, picture of school bag, but we call it as a bag. Okay, so it starts with bag. Bag. The sound of letter B is ba. Speak with me. Come on, speak with me. Ba. There is also another object. This brinjal. Do you like brinjal? Yes, it's a vegetable. It's a king of vegetable actually. Do you know? King of the vegetable is brinjal. Okay, this is brinjal and this is yes. Come on, speak. Yes, it's a bottle. You are right. Bottle. Okay. So these are the objects. There are some other objects are also there like bees for bird, right? This is the bird. Okay, I will show you. This is the bird, right? Bird. You always see birds, right? There are so many birds like you see pigeon, you see sparrow, peacock, parrot. Yes, parrot is also pet bird, so you can keep it at your home also. Okay, keep it with you. So it's a parrot. It's all this all are the birds. Okay, so birds, birds. So the sound is b. So it is the letter B. Okay. Now I will show you the formation of letter B. How to write letter B. Okay. Big old bee has a tall straight tail, back and two big bellies as he just at the snake or at the yummy food. Okay, so this is the formation of letter B. Make one standing line and make two cow like a belly. So just add the snake or add the yummy food. So it's okay. Have you enjoyed? Yes. Okay, so this is the letter B. Okay, if you like my video, then do like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Have a nice day.